Today we learn ratios are all about scaling.
So we only multiply or divide.
Exactly. Two directions of the same idea. Simplify 12 to 18.
Divide both sides by 6. Therefore, 2 to 3. Same relationship. Smaller numbers, we shrink the ratio.
If we can shrink it, we can rebuild it.
So go backwards.
Exactly. In a class, the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 5. If there are 20 girls, how many boys are there?
5 times 4 equals 20. So we also do 4 times 4 equals 16. Therefore, there are 16 boys.
Key idea?
Ratios scale up or down.
Exactly. Simplify down, solve up.
No more slips with math, short clips. Y equals mx plus c straight line.